Hi everyone, welcome back to Bochiknot and Bochiknot.com. My name is Nicole. We will be going over a flower knot today, otherwise known as the Fleur De Lis knot. So to practice this knot, you will need some cotton cord. I will be using a single strand cotton cord from my foundation line. This is a super soft cord to practice making knots with. You will need a long strand of cord at about 100 centimeters long to practice this knot. To begin, take the long strand of cord and around the center of the cord, make a loop and hold it with an index finger. Then beside it, make another loop and hold it with your middle finger and take the cord end over to the left. Taking the left end of the cord from behind, make a third loop on the left side. And then bring that cord end on top and over the cord we brought over from the right. What we are going to do here now is make a square knot to secure the knot in the center. So taking the cord on top on the left side, bring it behind and through the right loop on the right. Bring the left cord over to the right and take the right cord over that cord from the left and then all the way from the back through the left loop. Then pull on both cord ends to tighten the square knot in the center. There should be 3 loops on the top and 2 loops on the bottom. So once you've tightened the square knot, we're going to maneuver the cords and the loops in between so that they are neat and even. This knot is known as a decorative knot and can be used as an add-on onto other macrame projects. And I will show you guys later in this video how I go about doing that. Now that we have the knot complete, we're going to attach it onto another macrame project. So bringing a macrame wall hanging that I have made previously, I'm going to take the left end of the knot and weave it through the hole in between 2 square knots at the top of the pattern. And then taking the right end of the cord, I'm going to do the same thing on the hole on the right side. Then all you have to do to secure this knot onto this wall hanging is by tying a double overhand knot at the back. This is a great way to add on other knots and accessories onto your patterns for a little bit more texture and a little bit more fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please click subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys next time.